Have you ever watched a tutorial on YouTube and thought, I could totally do that, but where do I start? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to plan, record, and edit a clean professional tutorial video, even if it's your first time. Using the tool that I use every day, it's Riverside. And here's the kicker, you can do the whole thing from your laptop. Hey there, I'm Mike Russell, and I teach creators like you how to sound and look great. Now, before you even touch your camera, you need to pick one clear topic. Something you can teach in around 3 to 6 minutes. Viewers don't really want a 40-minute lecture. They come in for clarity and to get what they need. So, let's actually go in and take a look here at my Riverside studio, and I'm going to name my studio AI B-Roll Tutorial. Now, the next thing is I can customize this a little bit, and I'm going to do so. So first of all, I'll go to the layout and I'll switch it to tutorial mode. I'll also go ahead and share, and we'll share a tab from my screen. Let's share this tab where I'm actually looking at a B-roll post that I can comment about and move around on the screen at will. Now, I can also customize how I look by clicking into this brand icon. It's just over here, and we'll select maybe a nice background. How about this one? So now I'm super professional. I've got me over in the right-hand side. I've got the content that I'm presenting on screen, and I've got a nice audio-based background as well. It looks really, really good. But it doesn't stop there. You need to write down some common questions or struggles that someone has with it, because this will become your backbone. And don't worry if you have a memory like a sieve like me and you can't remember anything, you can just go into the script option here and you'll see there's a teleprompter option. This allows me to actually write on screen and play as I'm talking. See, it just scrolls as I'm talking. Now, don't worry, I can decrease the speed so it goes a lot slower. See, that's really slow, and then I can speed it up so it can be the right speed for me. And obviously, we'll need to go in and edit that script. So we just click into script and we'll say 1, which AI model, maybe 2, and we'll make these as bullet points because I can just read from those. How to use AI model, and 3, prompting guide. Okay, this is a basic guide for me, and of course I can go through and I can make things bold, or I can use things like italics and underlining if I want, so I can really make this teleprompter customized to me. So you've got your mini script, and of course you don't need a Hollywood script, but definitely write down your bullet points with your hook, the exact steps you want to get through, and maybe a quick wrap up at the end of your tutorial video. Okay, in addition to that, we've actually seen this step of setting up your space. We've got the screen share, we've got me in the corner, a nice background, but it doesn't stop there. Adjust lamps, remove clutter from the background, get rid of it all. And yes, audio definitely matters more than video. So if you have an external mic, plug it into your computer. And if not, use your internal microphone. I'll show you how to improve the sound with just a click later on, because internal microphone on its own won't be very good, but with AI applied, it'll sound much better. And now once you're done, you can actually record your video inside Riverside. So how exactly do I do that? I've got everything set up correctly. I've got this screen share ready to scroll through, and I want to record in 4K. Well, you'll be pleased to know Riverside supports up to 4K recordings. The screen is shared, everything is ready. So let's go ahead and hit record. Now, don't worry, when this starts recording, I can start talking about this blog post, scrolling down and pointing out different sections of it and focusing on different sections by highlighting the text. But if I make a mistake, it really doesn't matter because we can edit it out later when we've finished. If I want to access the script as I'm talking, we'll click the script icon and teleprompter, and this is where we can now control the teleprompter. I'll make it super slow and we'll play that back. See, that's a bit too fast. I'll slow it right down. And we've got it there. Now I can edit the teleprompter guide as I go along, or just simply play it and have it scroll up as I'm describing things on screen and moving around. My teleprompter will guide me through. Very, very easy indeed. Now, if I want to change how this looks, I can actually go full screen like that, getting rid of me at the side, or put me back in, but in a different place on the screen. Everything is possible, and when I'm done with the tutorial, I click stop. This will then take my camera recording and my screen share as separate tracks and upload them ready for me to edit. Okay, once you've finished recording, the magic really happens. Riverside automatically transcribes everything you said, and I can click edit. Now, if we want to go in and edit, I can change anything I like. So if I want to cut out, take a look over here, maybe that doesn't serve the video well, just select it and delete it. It's immediately deleted from my timeline. Let's play using Riverside. First of all, we've got the ability to, wow, amazing. And then Command Z or Command Z will undo it using Riverside. Take a look over here. First of all, so I've literally cut that phrase out with just a quick click. But it doesn't stop there. I can go to my AI tools, and when I and well, actually, you see, I'm quite close to perfect. There's only one in the whole script. I can just apply it, and AI will automatically remove my filler words. So maybe you're someone who says a lot more ums, ahs, and your nose. Just use remove filler words from the AI tools segment, and you'll immediately get rid of all of those with one click. Now, remember I said earlier, if you're using an internal mic, well, Magic Audio here will give you studio quality sound, and you can just select it for whichever track you want, the speaker right here, and then it will actually go ahead and apply voice sweetening to make you sound much better within one click. And if you want to see a full video on how to make your voice sound better with this feature in Riverside, watch the video that's showing on your screen now. If I look down here in my timeline at the start, you'll see there's a bit of a pause before I actually start my intro. Not a problem, because I can actually trim that in so the video starts right from the beginning. Hello, this is Mike. Very, very easy to do so. It's amazing how much you can customize everything that's here, including the layouts. So you're not fixed to the layout when you were recording. You can actually switch it up to look like this or like this, really however you want the layout to be. You can customize to your brand, so if you like, you can upload a logo that will go in the top corner of your video and get the branding exactly as you like. It's all possible. Textiles, background designs, all can be inserted with the click of a button. Now, I'm also going to add some music using the music tab over here. Let's actually go into the gaming ready-made collection. Not that one. Not that one. Try this one. Okay, I'm going to add this transition in here, and we'll actually bring that to the very start. And now I start this off with a bit of music in the background. Hello, this is Mike, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate AI B-roll using Riverside. Take a look over here. And then I've got a little bit of intro music for my tutorial. When your edit looks clean, you just go to export and you can download this video in any quality you like, up to 4K. You can also do sweetening such as normalizing the audio, making it all sound at a consistent volume level, or removing background noise. One click will do that. You can grab the audio and also the timeline to bring into other editors should you need it. And once I've started the export, I can go into Co-Creator here and do some fun stuff with AI to make this tutorial really pop out. Let's get the job done for me. Create a thumbnail for this video. You'll see it's working on generating a thumbnail. Stand by. Look at this. Wow, AI B-roll magic. That's pretty cool. Not only has it shown me, but it's actually showing the B-roll that I generated in the video, and I get two versions. So whether I want just a plain one or something with a really cool mechanical bird in the background, this was done in moments, and I can go ahead and download that thumbnail. When we're happy with the edit, we can actually share this directly to YouTube from Riverside. No need to download and re-upload. It can all be done right here in your editor. Next up, you'll see a number appears next to Made For You. Well, since Riverside automatically creates short highlight clips with AI, you can push your best edits to TikTok, Shorts, or Reels and drive even more traffic right back to your tutorial. You'll see a 10-second clip here, 44-second clip here, and a 25-second clip here, all ready to share with one click. And that's it. You've created a clean, polished tutorial video right from start to finish. Now, if you haven't done so already, throw a like, subscribe to this channel for more creator tips and tools just like what I've shown you in this video. And YouTube is showing a video you should watch next. Go on, give it a try. I know you'll enjoy it.